Well, that's a bit of finals day excitement there, because obviously we've just seen the route could settle him down so early on. After the red 3, I think the pink 4 will go. Yeah, just trying to come away from the green, but he's still not out the rails. Could draw it out off one as well. He's gone this way because off the second rail, you see how he's coming into the potting line.
Yeah, and just the kind of start he would have wanted.
How's the pace? Looks good. Really good run out this has been.
Immediately into his stride.
Made the one, but the cue ball was edgeable. Then we'll stick to the right hand.
Real advantage.
This is a shot we like, Phil, the kick and stick. Kicking in bit. Right, first chance. Raising the back arm up a bit here, so he's going to be stunning this in hard. Lovely. Pace. Watch outside pocket, this can start to get a bit scary. More plays on instinct than Wojciech. Yeah, just pinched a tiny bit and done well, good shot. Rex. When the balls also go over the pocket and you play 6 or 7 stun shots.
You're right, it's been a clean start. It's not much though.
Back-to-back dry break. Trying to use the purple 5 to lay the hook. This needs to slow down. He's going to leave this one. He will not be happy.
Well, he played that with lots of check side, but surely
You hook yourself behind the 5 though. You might get behind the 5 here. Watch this cue ball spin. Going close to the side.
Oh, yeah, very aggressive chalker of the cue. For Shevchik, but I'd be very surprised if he didn't dish here. Just how you like them. Easy. Shevchik, a 31-year-old from War.
Yeah, that's better. The direction of the cue ball. Well, he tried to pop to see if this blue 2 is touching that rail, because this is going to be delicate. Delicate. 5 shots, someone's going to have a go at something.
Yeah, of these two.
got to be careful here. This is a soft touch he needs here. Doesn't want this to go in. Yeah, he's hit it on the edge, so it comes back out.
Well done.
Got the break where it needs to be at now. It's a little bit more tactical in the. I don't know if he can see all the two ball in. Well, he can. So it's a miss it. So.
Foul, ball in hand.
Weakness there. The kicking. Pay attention to that for the remainder of this match.
This week we've seen ball in hand from missed kicks far more often than not. Again, I'll reiterate what our colleague and sage to run out.
Drama here, played for the 8 in the right side. I'll say no drama, but
Nicely done. You can never describe
power. Jonas, outside chance of fluke in the 9 on the break. Got it moving. That won't matter. Overdone this one.
Now, you're not going to deny this one.
Nicely done. Good pace.
Running English from 8.
Yeah, the break shot has definitely improved after that first one. He can go anywhere where he wants, so this is by design. What kind of bump on the 8 is he going to get? Is it good or bad towards the 9 as well? Depends. Yeah, that was the second option. He's played this beautiful. Really, really well thought out. And good effort. Really was. Winners. I'm going to put you on the spot, Phil. I'm sure you know. The final, so.
That's a good one. Michael would know it, of course. Was it Skaversky? Will be again, because there are so many nations now who could provide a really powerful duo. Smattering of applause, but look where this.
May cut as well, yeah. Yeah, well, don't know about that one. It's very.
Nicely done.
That's better as well. So both players for the purple. Just like so. That's gone wrong.
To do. Now there you might have heard the words of yeah, if I was calling out those numbers 10 seconds
Take on certain pots and shots.
for the third time, Wojciech.
Got the 9-ball moving. It's a little high though for a guy to see which pocket he's going to get on, unless he pots it clean. Don't leave yourself straight on this one. Yeah, now he can stun out or he can go forward to rail. Now he's just got to be a bit careful. He decides. And he took a gamble to come below it. Hit this pretty good as well. Possible. Shot. It's never ideal. You've got a big angle, you can stun it off rails. Now he's got to draw it straight back. And look what happens. Side. He's gone corner. Watch out. Cue ball. Where's the cue ball? He's forgot about the cue ball.
And the 9 is nothing more than a form.
And a lot of that comes from what your opponent does next, Phil. Well, that is just absolutely. He has a very peculiar cue action, doesn't he, Phil?
Yeah, the actual cue delivery is very orthodox. It's what comes before us.
There's that big long pause on about Phil. This is going to come round nice though. I think he's going to. Well, he's just like that cue ball slide forward. And the beep is back.
Very good indeed.
Can he do it again? He needs to fluke a ball. No, okay. No, this could have been a lot worse. Angle, so he can go forward. He's had to drop it. Sorry, Phil.
No, it's just going to.
And that's gone wrong. Davis, it's to do with his squad number. Now, I think, try and get the pink on this bottom rail. It's a tiny bit lighter pace, this. This looks good. Looks like he's stick though, separate the balls. Yeah, wants this to stop on the rail. Yeah, he's playing the kick and stick, but his attempt as well though, past the 6. Played to the side. The other thing in all, Phil, is what Jonas has got to realise.
They were brutal.
Very unique, that. Never seen anyone. The big long pause at the cue ball. Also,
This is not going to script for Jonas. And you cannot escape the conclusion.
Missed the one, but he's made another ball come away from the red area. So he's opted. That's why pool players always play.
Location. But it will be after this.
Sorry, Phil, if you hit it right. Very good shot. Very good shot indeed. Could have been 5-4 with the onus to break. This needs to find the top rail, which it will.
Because of the shot clock, I think it suits him much more.
Well,
In the last couple of racks, I've heard a
pretty good friend.
It's Fortunski's compatriot. Well, talking fiscally, as he's Mr. Reliable, isn't he? The way he started this tournament suggested that he was...
Phil, it was 5 racks to 3.
And for Suto,
Wow, it's going to be a drive. Off the first shot. Yeah, it's he's left a pot, so it's a good one.
there was some venom in that one. And it might be his last.
Oh, this is a beauty.
Carl is always a success.
Yeah, without doubt, that was the key point of this match. He's gone round the houses, and he's going to land on that.
That really was something from